Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can actually deactivate or delete your Pinterest account. So just like on social media platforms, you can delete your account mostly and you can also deactivate it. On Facebook, you can do same on X, you can do same on Instagram, on Threads and the rest. So you can do the same on Pinterest as well. I'm going to show you how to do this. So you just tap on your profile here. Good. So on your profile here, just tap here and move to your profile settings. So when you move on here, just move to your account management, something like that. Good. So you scroll down here and you can see this here. You can see you can deactivate your account here and you can also delete your account and your data. So let's first tap on the deactivate. So to reactivate it, you can use your Gmail that you used to register. So you tap on continue here. Good. And then you are logged out. So to delete your account, you just need to tap on the delete data in account. You tap on that. So when you tap on the continue, you proceed to delete your account, which I don't want to do that because I'm going to use this same account to do a lot of tutorials. But then when you tap on the continue, you just proceed to delete your account and your data from Pinterest. So that's it. So now you can deactivate your account and also delete your account from Pinterest. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And so just like I do always, I have a lot of tutorials about Pinterest on my channel, so you can check them out if you want videos like that. That's it once again for the video. Peace.